Welcome to our channel where we explore future tech and defense innovations with in-depth reviews and real-world insights every week. The 2025 submarines represent the peak of underwater military engineering, combining stealth, endurance, and cutting-edge technology to redefine naval warfare and maritime security. These submarines are equipped with advanced propulsion systems, artificial intelligence, next-generation sonar, and powerful weaponry that elevate their operational capabilities to new heights. Their sleek hydrodynamic hulls are constructed with sound-absorbing materials and feature modular designs, enabling easy upgrades and maintenance even while at sea. Nuclear-powered variants continue to dominate strategic deterrence operations, with improved reactor efficiency offering longer patrol durations without the need for refueling. Meanwhile, diesel-electric submarines, especially those with air-independent propulsion systems, provide a more budget-conscious alternative for coastal defense and tactical missions. One of the standout features of the 2025 submarines is the integration of artificial intelligence and machine learning for onboard decision-making and threat analysis. AI-assisted systems help the crew identify potential threats in real time, optimize navigation, and even automate certain combat protocols. This reduces human error and increases efficiency during high-pressure situations. In combat operations, this can be the difference between detection and evasion. Additionally, unmanned underwater vehicles can be deployed from the submarine to conduct reconnaissance, detect mines, or even serve as decoys, adding a multi-dimensional capability to their mission profiles. Another breakthrough lies in the sonar and electronic warfare suites. Modern submarines in 2025 use low-frequency active sonar combined with passive towed arrays and flank arrays for exceptional detection range and precision. The electronic warfare system includes advanced signal processing algorithms that can decipher enemy sonar pings, jam communication lines, or even create acoustic illusions to mislead tracking efforts. These submarines are also outfitted with photonics masts instead of traditional periscopes. These masts use high-definition cameras, infrared sensors, and laser rangefinders to provide a 360-degree visual environment while keeping the submarine at deeper depths, minimizing exposure. In terms of weapons, the 2025 submarines carry a formidable payload including long-range cruise missiles, anti-ship torpedoes, and anti-submarine missiles. Strategic variants can launch ballistic missiles with multiple independently targetable re-entry vehicles, making them critical assets in nuclear deterrence. Some are even equipped with vertical launch systems allowing simultaneous multiple missile strikes. Conventional attack submarines use intelligent torpedoes with improved guidance systems and wake-homing capabilities that can pursue high-speed enemy vessels. The combination of stealth and firepower makes these submarines some of the most lethal platforms in naval warfare. Crew habitability has also seen significant improvements. Ergonomically designed living quarters, improved air quality systems, noise insulation, and even limited exercise facilities contribute to crew endurance and mental health during long deployments. Touchscreen-based control interfaces, integrated digital command centers, and immersive simulation systems provide a seamless interaction between crew and machinery. This enhances coordination, especially during high-stress combat or emergency scenarios. Some navies have also begun integrating augmented reality displays into control stations to allow officers to access critical data without looking away from their primary controls. Propulsion technology has undergone a massive transformation. Nuclear-powered submarines now use compact reactors with passive safety mechanisms and longer core life. Some submarines utilize pump jet propulsion systems, which are quieter than traditional propellers and harder to detect via sonar. For non-nuclear options, lithium-ion batteries combined with air-independent propulsion enable longer submerged operations with faster charging cycles. These energy systems contribute to reduced acoustic signatures and improved mission stealth. Stealth remains the key to submarine dominance. The hull coatings used in 2025 submarines absorb sonar waves and reduce echo signatures. The overall hull geometry has also been refined to deflect sonar beams. Furthermore, machinery is mounted on vibration-dampening platforms to reduce internal noise, while noise-generating systems such as pumps and motors are designed to operate at frequencies less likely to be detected. These enhancements allow submarines to operate closer to enemy waters without compromising their position. Connectivity and communication in the modern submarine fleet have also evolved. The use of buoyant cable antennas, satellite-linked unmanned vehicles, and laser-based underwater communication systems allows submarines to maintain secure links with command centers without surfacing. This ensures constant situational awareness and command control in a networked warfare environment. Data links between submarines, surface ships, and aircraft allow for integrated operations, creating a dynamic and cooperative battlefield environment. Special operations capabilities have also improved. Modern submarines come with dry deck shelters or swimmer delivery vehicles that enable covert deployment of special forces. They can support surveillance, sabotage, intelligence gathering, and direct assault missions from underwater. The ability to operate silently and invisibly close to shorelines offers significant tactical advantages. Some submarines are even capable of laying underwater mines or deploying seabed sensors to monitor naval traffic in strategic choke points. Environmental sustainability is now a consideration in modern submarine design. Many navies are investing in technologies that reduce the ecological footprint of their underwater fleets. Waste recycling systems, environmentally safe coolants, and silent discharge systems are becoming standard. This reduces the risk of detection while aligning with international maritime environmental protocols. In 2025, countries around the world are also exploring the potential of hybrid manned-unmanned submarines. These experimental platforms can either be remotely piloted or function autonomously on preset missions. Such systems are particularly useful for high-risk areas like contested waters or areas with high mine concentrations. Although still in testing phases for many navies, these platforms represent the future direction of undersea warfare. The global submarine fleet is undergoing significant modernization. Nations like the United States, Russia, China, India, and France are all deploying or developing advanced submarine classes that incorporate these technologies. Each submarine class is designed with regional strategies in mind, whether it's power projection, strategic deterrence, or literal warfare. With growing competition in the Indo-Pacific and Arctic regions, submarines will play a decisive role in future maritime conflicts. As submarine warfare continues to evolve, training and doctrine are also transforming. Crews are trained with virtual reality simulators, AI decision support tools, and real-time threat scenarios. Simulation-based drills are more advanced and frequent, ensuring that crew members remain battle-ready. In all situations, as the complexity of underwater missions increases, so does the sophistication of tactical thinking required for mission success. Thanks for watching. If you found this deep dive into the 2025 submarines informative, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more cutting-edge defense content every week.